everyone, it's Penelope with Urban Spools, and I am back to talk about bias tape one more time. So what we have here is a product by Moda. It is Quilter's Bias Binding, and we have discovered that we can use this to make bias tape to use on our masks. It's super easy. It helps you from having to make the bias tape start to finish, but what we're going to do is show you the little hack and get you started on making more masks without elastic. So we're just going to cut a length off. Now, typically when you are working with a pattern, you want to make sure that you are using the length that the pattern calls for. I've seen everything from 18 inches to 36 inches. So you really want to just pay attention to what that pattern is calling for. The first thing that we are going to do here is this is a single fold bias tape. So I'm just going to open this up. Oop. Okay, so I'm going to open it up, and then what I'm going to do is take those raw edges and put them towards the center, okay? I'm going to start with one side, move down, take the second side, grab it, press, pressing my raw edges to the center, okay? So the goal here is to end up with a double fold bias tape. So we're taking this from a single to a double. So then we can encapsulate the main part of our mask inside this double fold tape. Now I will say that this fabric is taking the pressing really well. So it's very easy to make this double fold bias tape. I'm going to fold it one more time here and then give it one more good press. And it comes in a variety of colors. So it's mostly solids, fun, funky, chartreuse, aqua, but also there's black, gray. So there's any kind of variety of solid that you're really looking for. So we're really excited to be able to offer that to you. Now, our next step from this point is we are going to open this up, okay? And I'm going to take my mask here, and I'm going to slip this inside of the bias tape. So basically what I'm doing is I'm encapsulating the edge into it. I'm going to head on over to the sewing machine and I will be right back with you. So I'm back from the sewing machine, and what I have done is I've actually taken my fabric and top stitched along the edge of my bias tape all the way down to the end. Now there is no need to mess with this end, mess with tucking it in. All you need to do is actually just tie a little knot and you'll be good to go. Now, as we said before, this is bias tape, so it does have a nice stretch to it. I don't know if you can really see that here, but it does have a good stretch to it, so it'll be super easy for ties. And we are ready to now put some pleats in our mask and get going. So hopefully you guys will be able to take advantage of this Moda's Quilter's Bias Binding. If you're interested, again, we have it in the shop. You can give us a call or check it out on our website. Thanks so much. If you have any questions, just let us know. We're always here for you. Have a good day.